So, how can you build confidence as a new interpreter? Being a new interpreter and going to your first appointment can be very nerve wracking, but there's a few things that you can do to build that confidence. And the first thing is preparation. There's a lot of things online, videos that you can watch that will help you prepare and learn as much as possible about medical things and medical scenarios. So learn as much as possible and then go back and look up terms that you don't know, that you don't recognize. The other thing that's very good and is going to be very helpful is learning roots, prefixes, and suffixes with Greek and Latin terms. A lot of medical terminology is based on that. And so the more you learn those little bits and pieces of the word, the more you're going to build up your vocabulary. And all of a sudden, a big word doesn't become that scary anymore once you break it down. And then once you've done all of those things, if you still don't understand something, asking for clarification from the provider or from the patient is totally fine. Because at that point, you have prepared yourself and you're acting very confident because you have that preparation. So asking for clarification, they're going to see it as something normal and okay for us to do. So those are just a few things that you can do ahead of time to prepare yourself.